Introducing the Ultra-High Definition camera system for capturing surgical proceedings. Designed with integrated triaxial mount system, the CS430-PTR camera is easily operated by using a wireless remote control. Camera control unit with intuitive control joystick, or controlled by your OR integration system controller. The SC430-PTR camera can be attached to designated ceiling arms, allowing to avoid any possible light obstructions. Our camera captures video in 4K ultra-high definition resolution with a progressive 60 Hz signal for smooth, high-definition visuals of the surgical site. The camera head comes fully integrated on a camera mount with plus to minus 170 degrees pan. Plus 90 to minus 30 degrees tilt, and plus to minus 165 degrees roll to ensure the ideal location for the field of view. The camera lens has up to 30 times optical zoom, allowing a camera to easily zoom into small, targeted areas. With Eizo's unique stepping technology, flexible and controllable camera movements, preparation for surgery is made quicker and more comfortable. Every life is unique. Every person's medical treatment should be precise. Experience the future of operating room technology. Eizo, making each life visual.